would be better than sitting on an almost new Harris 230 Sunliner at the sandbar in these hot summer days? Tom Gerber, MarineMax Coco here. Just got this boat in. It's listed. It's barely used. It's like new. It's a 2023 Harris 230 Sunliner. It's a beautiful boat. This boat was special ordered new. Got a lot of great features on this boat. Why don't you come on board and take a look? On board this 230 Sunliner, you can see we've got the ski tow bar, which is great for water sports. This is the Sun Lounger layout, which is really cool from Harris. One of the few boats that actually has a built-in cooler, which is really nice on a pontoon boat. If you've ever had one before, you know you usually bring in a cooler on board with you, but having a built-in cooler is quite an advantage. Of course, the Sun Lounger layout has this huge Sun Lounger in the back. The backrest is reversible. It'll fold forward. It'll lay all the way flat. It's a really nice option to have, especially if you're hanging out at the sandbar. You can turn that into one big sunbed. This boat has the dual helm seats in it, which is a nice feature. It's also got the power bimini top, which is nice. One button, the top goes up and down. This has the JL Audio Diamond stereo system in it, so it's the upgraded stereo with subwoofer speakers. Really good sound in here. It's also got the tech package, so it's got a charger for your phone right here. It's got a 12 volt and USBs. Of course, we've got the Simrad GPS in this boat. It's got all the lights, all the bells, and all the whistles that you want. So come down to MarineMax Coco. Let's take a look at this thing and get you out on the water soon.